In 15th century Florence, the Renaissance began with the rise of humanism, a philosophy emphasizing human potential and classical learning. Scholars like Marsilio Ficino, funded by the Medici family, translated ancient Greek and Roman texts, reviving ideas of Plato and Aristotle. The city's libraries, such as the Medici Library, became hubs of intellectual exchange. This shift from medieval religious dogma to human-centered thinking laid the foundation for artistic and scientific breakthroughs. Florence's architecture, like the Basilica di San Lorenzo, reflected this new era of innovation and intellectual freedom. Florence became the epicenter of artistic innovation with Filippo Brunelleschi's discovery of linear perspective in the early 1400s. This technique, demonstrated in his experiments with the Florence baptistery, allowed artists to create realistic depth on flat surfaces. Masaccio's fresco, The Holy Trinity, 1427, showcased this breakthrough, revolutionizing art. The Florence Cathedral's dome, designed by Brunelleschi, symbolized this era's engineering prowess. Artists competed fiercely, as seen in the 1401 baptistery door competition, where Ghiberti defeated Brunelleschi, sparking a rivalry that fueled creativity. Sculpture in Florence reached new heights with Donatello's David, 1440, the first freestanding nude since antiquity. Artists revived classical techniques, carving lifelike figures with emotional depth. Marble workshops near the Bargello Museum buzzed with chisels and apprentices. Michelangelo, inspired by these masters, later created his David, 1504. The demand for public art, funded by patrons like the Medici, turned Florence into an open-air gallery. This sculptural revival celebrated human anatomy and individualism, core tenets of the Renaissance. Leonardo da Vinci embodied Florence's fusion of art and science. His notebooks, filled with anatomical studies and flying machine designs, reveal a mind bridging disciplines. In the 1480s, he dissected cadavers at Santa Maria Nuova Hospital, producing groundbreaking sketches of human muscles and bones. His Vitruvian Man, 1490, symbolized the harmony of art and mathematics. The Arno River, often sketched in his journals, inspired his hydraulic engineering projects. Florence's vibrant intellectual climate nurtured Leonardo's boundless curiosity. The Florence Cathedral's dome, completed in 1436, crowned the Renaissance's architectural achievements. Brunelleschi's innovative design, using no scaffolding, combined classical Roman techniques with Gothic ribs. The dome's double-shell structure, 375 feet tall, symbolized Florence's dominance. Workers hauled 4 million bricks using oxen-powered hoists, a feat of engineering. Today, the dome remains a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to the city's artistic and scientific legacy. It stands as the enduring icon of the Renaissance's rebirth of human ingenuity.